Affirmation. The inn of gratitude to nature. Explanation. The inn of gratitude to nature began in 2001. This practice involves performing the gratitude to nature using an inn. An inn is a method of drawing the energy of the universe into one's physical body, and then dispersing it into the environment. When performing the gratitude to nature with an inn, this energy is stored in the field of form of the universe. It then spreads to the earth, seas, mountains, rivers, air, and all flora and fauna, rejuvenating their natural life force. For more details, please refer to the website listed in the overview section. The Inn of Byuko Shinko Kai. How to practice the inn of gratitude to nature. Here, we will explain using gratitude to the ocean as an example. First, form.
Denyorain.
A symbolic hand gesture at
Detanden.
just below the navel.
Denyorain.
Is a gesture to connect with one's true heart. First, form a circle with the thumb and index finger. Next, link the circles of both hands like a chain, ensuring the palms face upwards. The palm of the hand can be either left or right side up. Also, when making a circle, either the left or right thumb may be on top. After forming,
Denyorain.
gently release the circles while lifting both palms slightly above.
Detanden.
Starting to perform the inn. While proclaiming, on behalf of humanity, scoop up with both hands as if offering them to the sky, stopping at shoulder level. Keep the elbows slightly bent, allowing for a bit of leeway. While saying, "We thank you, divinities who govern the ocean," spread your arms wide horizontally. As you say, "Dear ocean," extend your open hands above your head. Recombine them into
Denyorain.
and bring your palms together in prayer. Stretch your hands and arms as much as possible. Naturally, look up at your hands. While saying, "We thank you," quietly lower the praying hands of
Denyorain.
from above your head, stopping in front of your chest. Return to the initial
Nyorain.
at.
Detanden.
Repeat the same procedure for the other 11 objects of gratitude. When offering gratitude, the physical body, instead of the phrase, "We thank you, divinities who govern blah blah," used in the fourth action, you will say, "We thank you, the physical body." Affirmation. The inn of gratitude to nature. Gratitude to the ocean. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern the ocean. Dear ocean, we thank you. Gratitude to the earth. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern the earth. Dear Earth, we thank you. Gratitude to mountains. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern the mountains. Dear mountains, we thank you. Gratitude to food. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern food. Dear food, we thank you. Gratitude to the physical body. On behalf of humanity, we thank the physical body. Dear the physical body, we thank you. Gratitude to water. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern water. Dear water, we thank you. Gratitude to plants. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern plants. Dear plants, we thank you. Gratitude to animals. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern animals. Dear animals, we thank you. Gratitude to minerals. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern minerals. Dear minerals, we thank you. Gratitude to heavenly phenomena. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern heavenly phenomena. Dear heavenly phenomena, we thank you. Gratitude to air. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern air. Dear air, we thank you. Gratitude to the sun. On behalf of humanity, we thank you, divinities who govern the sun. Dear the sun, we thank you.